Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here, and I'm back with another video for you. Thanks so much for taking a few moments to check out this video. And I do have some important information I want to share in this video. And obviously you can see I'm going to talk about at least a little bit about Nexus Rewards. And Nexus Rewards is called the world's most lucrative $10 program. Okay, and so if you look here for me, we'll get this going. It says earn easy money using and sharing our products. Nexus Rewards is a totally unique cashback, savings, and membership subscription designed to help people make money on the things they are already purchasing. Our highly lucrative referral rewards program enables people to build a residual income. Co-founders Art and Rob Phelps, with their 3+ decades of experience, are committed to solving many of the problems and challenges that plague the network marketing industry. That commitment has led to innovative and copyrighted solutions that reward Nexus members in many ways. The Nexus SNAP compensation plan is totally unique from other network marketing plans. Our goal is to make sure that anyone and everyone can succeed with Nexus Rewards. We invite you to familiarize yourself with all the aspects of the Nexus SNAP compensation plan. We know that the more you look, the more you are going to like it. Okay, so there you have it. That's, kind of the nutshell version. Okay, and so I'm going to leave a link so that you can get right into a video that I would like you to see. All right, and also note this, that there is a free entry into the program. Okay, you can sign up for free, and you can take a look around and see if this is something that resonates with you, something that you can get into. Okay, the other thing I'd like you to be aware of, that in the description area of this video, I'm going to have another link to my Easy 20 Now program. That's a one-time out-of-pocket of $30. It's an amazing little program that you can make thousands of dollars with, as well as with our Nexus Rewards program. Okay, I was recently introduced to that, and I'm beginning to market the two together. Okay, because they are powerful, both of them, and a lot of money can be made with either one. Okay, so at that note, be sure to grab the links in the description area of this video. Also, I think I'm going to also leave my newsletter, a link to my newsletter. Get signed up. Awesome information. Connect with me there. Okay. And boy, that's it. Okay. And I want to thank you so much for taking a moment to check out this video. All right. Bless you. Bye-bye.